Learners who master these expressions will be well equipped to engage in many common English conversations. 1. I'm feeling on top of the world is used to express feeling extremely happy or successful. Example.
You seem really happy today.
You seem really happy today.
I am. I'm feeling on top of the world.
I am. I'm feeling on top of the world.
2. It's a piece of cake is used to indicate that something is very easy to do. Example.
Is that assignment difficult?
Is that assignment difficult?
No, it's a piece of cake. I'll finish it quickly.
No, it's a piece of cake. I'll finish it quickly.
3. I'm over the moon is used to express extreme happiness or excitement about something. Example.
How do you feel about getting the job?
How do you feel about getting the job?
I'm over the moon. I'm so excited.
I'm over the moon. I'm so excited.
4. It slipped my mind is used to admit that you forgot to do something or remember something. Example.
Did you remember to buy milk?
Did you remember to buy milk?
Oops, it slipped my mind. I'll get it now.
Oops, it slipped my mind. I'll get it now.
5. I'm going to take a rain check is used to politely decline an invitation with the intention of accepting it at a later time. Example.
Do you want to go out for dinner tonight?
Do you want to go out for dinner tonight?
I'm busy tonight, but I'll take a rain check.
I'm busy tonight, but I'll take a rain check.
6. I'm feeling under the weather is used to indicate feeling unwell or slightly sick. Example.
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
Not really. I'm feeling under the weather today.
Not really. I'm feeling under the weather today.
7. That's a good idea is used to express agreement or approval of a suggestion. Example.
Why don't we have a picnic in the park?
Why don't we have a picnic in the park?
That's a good idea. Let's do it.
That's a good idea. Let's do it.
8. I'm so tired I could sleep for days is used to exaggerate extreme fatigue, emphasizing how tired one feels. Example.
How was your day?
How was your day?
Exhausting. I'm so tired I could sleep for days.
Exhausting. I'm so tired I could sleep for days.
9. I'll pass is used to politely decline an offer or opportunity. Example.
Do you want another slice of cake?
Do you want another slice of cake?
No thanks, I'll pass.
No thanks. I'll pass.
10. Let's do it. It is used to enthusiastically agree to a suggestion or proposal. Example.
Do you want to go for a swim?
Do you want to go for a swim?
Sure, let's do it.
Sure, let's do it.
11. That's too bad is used to express sympathy or disappointment about a negative situation. Example.
I couldn't make it to the party.
I couldn't make it to the party.
That's too bad. We missed you.
That's too bad. We missed you.
12. It's worth it. It is used to express that the effort or sacrifice is justified by the resulting benefit or outcome. Example.
The hike was challenging, but the view from the top is amazing.
The hike was challenging, but the view from the top is amazing.
Sounds like it's worth it.
Sounds like it's worth it.
13. I'm stuck is used to express being unable to move forward or find a solution to a problem. Example.
Are you making progress with the project?
Are you making progress with the project?
Not really. I'm stuck on this problem.
Not really. I'm stuck on this problem.
14. I'm on my way is used to inform someone that you are currently traveling to meet them. Example.
Where are you?
Where are you?
I'm on my way. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
I'm on my way. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
15. It's all good is used to convey that everything is fine or okay, often in response to an apology or mistake. Example.
I spilled some coffee on your table.
I spilled some coffee on your table.
It's all good. I can clean it up.
It's all good. I can clean it up.
16. I'm just in time is used to indicate arrival at the perfect moment, neither too early nor too late. Example.
The movie is starting now.
The movie is starting now.
Great. I'm just in time.
Great. I'm just in time.
17. It's not a big deal is used to minimize the importance or seriousness of something. Example.
I'm sorry I forgot to call you back.
I'm sorry I forgot to call you back.
It's not a big deal. Don't worry about it.
It's not a big deal. Don't worry about it.
18. I'll get back to you is used to indicate that you will provide an answer or response at a later time. Example.
Have you decided yet?
Have you decided yet?
Not yet, but I'll get back to you soon.
Not yet, but I'll get back to you soon.
19. Let me think about it is used to request time to consider something before making a decision. Example.
Do you want to come to the party?
Do you want to come to the party?
Let me think about it and get back to you.
Let me think about it and get back to you.
20. It's up to you is used to indicate that the decision is in the hands of the other person. Example.
Should we watch a movie or play a game?
Should we watch a movie or play a game?
It's up to you. I don't mind.
It's up to you. I don't mind.
21. I have no idea is used to admit complete lack of knowledge or information about something. Example.
Where did I leave my keys?
Where did I leave my keys?
Sorry, I have no idea.
Sorry, I have no idea.
22. That's incredible is used to express amazement or astonishment about something remarkable or extraordinary. Example.
I won the lottery.
I won the lottery.
Wow, that's incredible.
Wow, that's incredible.
23. That's interesting is used to show curiosity or fascination about something new or unexpected. Example.
Did you know that elephants can communicate over long distances?
Did you know that elephants can communicate over long distances?
Wow, that's interesting.
Wow, that's interesting.
24. I'm looking forward to it is used to express anticipation or excitement about something in the future. Example.
Are you excited about the trip?
Are you excited about the trip?
Yes, I'm looking forward to it.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it.
25. I'm just kidding is used to clarify that something said was meant as a joke and not to be taken seriously. Example.
You scared me.
You scared me.
Sorry, I'm just kidding.
Sorry, I'm just kidding.